Good morning, student of class 1. Welcome back again to your English language class. Before starting our class, I would like to inform your parents that you have to download Telegram app, and I hope you all have received a link class-wise from the school. When you install that app Telegram, after that you open that class-wise link whatever from school you are getting. Then in which class your child is studying, you just open that link and join the group. Suppose your child is studying in class 1D, so you have to open that 1D's link and you have to join that group, and you all will get the information through the Telegram app. So this is for the parents. Now children, so in the last class we have started our last chapter, describing word, and I explained to you what is adjective or describing word. Can you see in your book? So all of you take out your book. See, this is big cake, small cake, fat woman, thin woman, hot water, cold water. So these red words are called adjective. In the last class I explained to you. I hope you remember. So today we are going to do our exercise in our book. So all of you take your pencil. Now put classwork and today's date here. Now what you have to do, or what we are going to do, read these sentences. Choose a suitable adjective for each noun. You know that words that describe or tells us the quality of a noun is called adjective. So, number 1, the rabbit is a timid or bold animal. See, this timid and bold, both the words are adjective, but you have to choose the correct one or proper one. And here rabbit is a noun. So we are describing the noun rabbit. Now how is the rabbit? Rabbit is timid or bold? Timid. So what we have to do for today? Put a tick on timid. Done, children? Okay. Now monkeys have short or long tails. Here also short and long both are adjective, but you have to choose the right one. And in this sentence, what is noun? Monkeys are noun. So we are talking, or we tell about the monkey. Now monkeys have what type of tails? Short or long? Long tail. So put a tick. Then a giraffe is a tall or short animal. Can you see the picture of giraffe? So giraffe is tall or short? Tall animal. So put a tick at tall. Then the sun is hot or cold. When sun rises during the daytime, what do you feel, children? You feel cold or hot? You feel hot, is it? So sun gives us light, so sun is hot. Then the moon is cold or hot? The moon is cold. An elephant is a big or small animal. See the picture? Elephant is a big animal. And why before elephant an? An means 1. But elephant, the first letter is E. E is a vowel. And I told you before, when the word will start with a vowel, before that word we have to use an. An or a. Both the meanings are means 1. Then there are 7 or 8 days in a week. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. Now name the 7 days name. Sunday and count in your finger. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So how many days in a week? 7 days. Now, it is a clean or beautiful day. Normally we say it is a beautiful day. So put a tick on beautiful. Then, the grass is green or red? The grass is, what is the color of the grass? The grass is green. The soup tasted good or happy? When you eat the soup, what did you feel? It's good or happy? It's good. So, soup tasted good. Have you done, children? Okay, now all of you go to the next page. Now, question number B. Look at the pictures. Complete the sentences using the adjectives given in the help box. First, can you see the help box? Here. So, the words or the adjectives are wet, happy, low, thick, short, old, young, day, small and then clean. So, these all are adjective. Now, you have to use the proper one and then you have to fill in this blank. So, now, these pictures, this description of these pictures are here. Number 1, owls do not sleep at night. They sleep in the daytime. So it will be day because owls came at night and during the daytime they sleep in their hole. The hill, see, the hill is not high. It is, if the hill is not high, then it is low. So, L-O-W, low. Third one, see the picture, clothes. The clothes are not dry. See the water are coming. That means these clothes are not dry. So, they are wet. They are wet. W-E-T, wet. The fourth one, see, this shirt is not new. This shirt is not new. It is, if the shirt is not new, then it is old one. So, O-L-D, old. Shirt is not new. That means it is old one. Then, this book is not thin. See the size of this book? Not thin. So, it is thick. T-H-I-C-K, thick. See all the adjectives are given for your help. This boy is not sad. See? Its boy looks sad? No. So, this boy looks happy. This boy is not sad. He is happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Then, these shoes are not dirty. See the picture? These shoes are not dirty. They are clean. If the shoes are not dirty, that means these shoes are clean. So, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Now, the next one. This woman is not old. Is this woman old? No. So, if she is not old, that means she is young. So, Y-O-U-N-G, young. This house is not big. See the picture? This house is not big. It is small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Now the last picture of a girl. This girl is not tall. See the picture? This girl is not tall. That means she is short. So S-H-O-R-T, short. Have you done, children? So today till this much. Next day, rest of the thing or the last portion we will do in the next class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.